Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can transfer photos from Android to your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments after watching this video, and let's get to our topic. So, in order to transfer photos from Android device to iPhone device, in principle, there are several options. But today, I'm going to show you the most practical and convenient option that I usually always use myself. So, for this, friends, you will need the Google Drive application. Basically, it is automatically available on absolutely all Android devices, so you can easily find this app. But if for some reason you can't find this app, then you will have to go to the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the Google Drive app, next, friends, you will need to click on New in this app and create a new folder. You can sign it as you want, and then click Create. Next, friends, you need to either open the folder or it will open automatically. In mine, as you can see, you need to open it. Then at the bottom, also click on the plus sign, and then select Download. So friends, this will take you to all the media files that you have in your gallery. And you can choose media files from the list that will be offered to you at once. Or you can go, let's say, to the gallery of photos and choose different photos and videos from there. You can press and hold to select several photos, thus, choose the number of photos that you need. Basically, an application like Google Drive gives you 5 GB of storage for free. You can easily use them to transfer photos. You can completely fill these 5 GB of storage with photos. And after you select the photo you want, click Add at the top. Wait for all the photos to be added to your newly created folder. So what do you need to do next, friends? After you select the photos and add them to the folder you created in Google Drive on Android. Next, friends, I will tell you what you will need to do on iPhone. On iPhone, you will also need to download and open the Google Drive app. Next, you'll need to make sure that you're logged into this app from your account, the same account that you're logged into Google Drive and Android. And then it turns out that you will be logging into Google Drive on both Android and iPhone from the same account. Because of this, friends, on the iPhone, you'll be able to open the Google Drive app once you've downloaded it. You'll see exactly the same full menu as you see now on my Android, because basically the visuals of the app don't change. And you just have to find the folder where you previously uploaded your photos on Android. You open the same folder on your iPhone, and you see exactly the same photos that you added on Android. And in order to upload them to the iPhone gallery, you just need to select them. As you can see, you can just hold down and then go in order to select the photos, and then at the top of the iPhone, click on the 3 dots and select Upload. Once you do this action, all your selected photos from Google Drive app. They will be saved to your iPhone gallery. That's how you can transfer photos from your Android device to iPhone, friends. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to write your comments, and see you soon.